If you're looking to replace a headlight bulb on a 2017 Ford Explorer Platinum Edition, you might be in for a surprise. Unlike traditional halogen bulbs, this model comes with LED headlights that are not customer replaceable. That means a quick and inexpensive bulb swap isn't an option. Instead, you'll need to replace the entire headlight housing, which, as of March 2025, costs about $250 on Amazon. This job isn't as simple as popping in a new bulb. You'll need to remove bolts that support the front fender and grille and set aside at least an hour to get it done. For easier access, you may choose to remove the front tire, but it is possible to complete the replacement without taking it off.
First thing we're going to do is take off this. It's 10mm socket. To replace this, there are 4 bolts that have to be taken out. The top one, the second top one, the third one's over here, and the fourth one's on this side. So on the existing one, it's 1, 2, 3 is behind here, and the fourth one's over here behind this.
Next step, you'll need to remove the small 5.5mm bolts that are along the inside of the wheel well. Also, you'll need to remove a few bolts that are on the bottom of that black plastic, and I believe they're size 8mm.
The next thing we're going to do is remove the 3 bolts that are inside that hold this 2 together. It might be easiest to access these from the bottom, but I'm able to access it, at least one of them from the top, with a few extensions.
Here's a better view of those 3 bolts. As you can see, the middle one's removed already, and the far one is the one that's easiest to remove from accessing it from the top.
After you get those 3 bolts out, 1, 2, 3, you can pull this back, and now you can access this bolt that needs to come out to take out the headlight. So the side one was a 10mm, that one there, which is this one on the new, and then to do the front one is a 1/2 inch. And the bolt is located right there, so I didn't have to take off the whole other driver's side. I was able to pull this back just enough to get the small socket in there.
Next, remove the top 2 bolts, 10mm, and unplug the 2 wiring harnesses and lift it out. The next thing we'll do is we'll need to take off the LED module from the bottom and move it to the new housing, because the $250 assembly we bought didn't include the LED module.
Okay, I have the new one and the old one side by side, just to give you guys a view. We're going to take this off here and put it on here, and this is a size 7mm. Testing it before I put it back together all the way, and it's working now.